Hi there. Okay, so I just wanted to go ahead and give a quick update for about the past, I guess I'm about a week into my Invisalign treatment. And there were a couple of things that I did want to go ahead and make note of that I think were a little, I don't know, maybe important, maybe not important. So the first maybe 2 days, I was very, very uncomfortable. I wouldn't say that I was in pain, but I definitely was experiencing some strong discomfort. My teeth were very, very achy, and I had a lot of pressure on this front tooth here where that power ridge is. I think that's what it's called. That little raised ridge right there also was causing a lot of discomfort in the inside of my mouth, and it was really cutting it up and irritating it there. But all I did was go ahead and put some of that wax that the orthodontist gives for the braces. I just took some from my son who has traditional braces on his teeth, and I put a little bit of that wax up there, and after maybe half a day of wearing that wax, it was totally fine. As far as the eating and the drinking with the Invisalign in, Dr. Shekelian advised that it was fine to eat and drink with the Invisalign in, but what I noticed is I have some movement in, it's not completely tight, so I have like gapping. So anything that I drink or eat seeps into the Invisalign, and you can see it behind there. So yes, I can eat and drink. It's kind of awkward to eat and drink with the Invisalign in, but it's really looks disgusting because it seeps in there and it just looks gross. So I found it easier to just take it out and eat that way. As far as talking, I have a little bit of a lisp. Most people can't really notice it. When I take the Invisalign out, I notice that I talk a little funnier then. The Invisalign definitely is getting discolored. My teeth definitely look yellowed. I'm trying really hard to make sure that if I do eat or drink something, that I scrub the Invisalign and brush my teeth really well. I mean, I'm brushing my teeth probably about 5 times a day and cleaning the Invisalign constantly, and I'm noticing that it's just like it's just building up on there. So that part is really funky. It was suggested that I use one of those whitening mouthwashes, like the Crest or something, the Crest whitening mouthwash, and soak the Invisalign to help get that discoloration out. But that's something that I'm noticing that's really kind of foul, is that the discoloration is there and it's kind of strong. Because I have nice white teeth typically, and they do not look white. They actually look straight up yellow. So that's kind of gross. I think that's about it. I don't notice it. I notice it on a day, throughout the day. It's just kind of weird to have in my mouth, but otherwise the experience is great. I'm looking forward to getting the next set. I noticed that when the Invisalign is not in, my teeth have definitely shifted, and my bite doesn't line up totally. So I guess it's doing its job. I don't know, you guys would know better than I would. But overall, this first week or so, that's been my experience. It's been pretty much everything that everybody advised me that it would be. The only thing that I really am having issue, I would not suggest eating or drinking with it in your mouth. If I do drink even just water, I see little bubbles form in between the Invisalign and my teeth. So I see that in there, so that's kind of gross. But that's about that, and I will keep you in the loop on any other things happening. Thanks. Have a great day.